Hey, hi. This is Arvia, and this is the continuation of the multiple videos wala thing. Basically, what had happened, my throat got exhausted. Apart from my throat, because my spiritual energy is being transmitted in this the whatever videos I'm making, and मेरे लिए थोड़ा overdose हो गया. And overdose इसलिए another thing, आप लोग के लिए overdose बन जाएगा if you like continuously 1 hour से ज़्यादा बन जाएगा तो it would become overdose. Anyways, starting from the previous thing. हाँ, मैंने जस्ट प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा था कहाँ पे मैं एग्जैक्टली रुका था. सो प्राणी किलिंग वाला, the prani killing wala, the teacher which I had said I was respecting him like sir and all. He even attended, he was present at my marriage, and all the things were happening. And this guy, this Mangesh ends up telling me, to just dig him once and देख उसको कुछ पता चले, if you come to know about him. And when I scanned my chakra first time, I saw there was some no, rather than seeing through normal eyes, I saw through the glasses of tantra. And the moment I saw that thing, I could see a debris of a garbage deposit, a layer of like a tire or circle of garbage deposited on my with that particular chakras, and I have to remove that. And I could, the moment I swiped once, the burning and sensation which was happening in my body, within a second, not even a minute, just matter of 2-3 seconds, everything got healed. It was that quick. And then later I came to this guy is doing that, and then I tracked at him. My energy was going to his son and whatever for the finance, whatever thing he was using. I came to know all this thing, and then I attacked him. And when I attacked him, he was trying to communicate through psychically through me that let it be. We will both do a partnership. No, partnership means he will protect me, and I will give him energy, like a barter system, like a give and take barter system. This is what this is the level, this is the extent of level what he had gone. But I didn't opt for that. Multiple times during fights he had done that thing. He even hired some different tantric. First he thought he might be able to help, because he maybe he knew that I used to fight, but it's like that this guy is fighting with someone, and when he comes to fight with you, you don't have an idea like what energy what is the energy, or what is how powerful or how weak is my hit, or what is the intensity of my attacks. So he had now coming to the that car incident and all, I started fighting with him, and when then things went out of his hands, I was continuously attacking him. He felt that I might end up killing him. Like I was in a very rage, because see, normal any tantric, random any people I don't know who attack me or something, anything such thing happens, I don't get that pissed off. But he came in my circle, he was at my house, he stayed in my house, and I treated him like like भाई तू मेरा अपना है. I used to look up to him कि यार इसकी तरह मुझे बनना है. Yeah, the way he controls his temper and all, the way he is so human, he does free healings and all. By free healing and all, he was doing it for like balancing his karma levels. That's it. But अंदर से तो भाई कुत्ता असोल होता है. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, कुत्ता तो बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. बट कुत्ते लॉयल होते हैं, ये तो मतलब वेरी फालतू. And he even tried again calling me. I deleted his number, and I delete and block. I don't keep nonsense in my contact list and all. And by mistakenly I had picked up his call, and again he attached some cords with me, and it took time for me to detect and break them, because he was attaching cords in which I was not able to figure out, because at that moment my third eye wasn't active. I was completely dependent on my psychics. So that was one of the biggest error in tantra. Like what I feel like, my psychics were reading and I was fighting. I was not seeing anything. I was sensing couple of things, but seeing is only deities visions on images blurly or black and white. ऐसे मुझे like this is the way I was seeing. I wasn't seeing exactly clarity. So what he was doing, he knew he had a full access of my body. On a spiritual level, so he knew where कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है ये सब. And many a times then I became a surprise for him, like as people think, like during fight I know everything about him, ये यहाँ से ये करेगा, ये करेगा, हम लोग manage कर लेंगे. But during fight I always give out different surprises to them, different techniques सब automatically आ जाते हैं मुझे, because यार जिस चीज़ का like I'm the master of tantra, you cannot come and teach me my old things, my own things. So get this thing in your head. And now what happened? there was some Muslim group who kept on attacking me. Even my wife was getting bad dreams and all. We understood. And then what happened? इसमें after that incident, I'm telling you, one incident happened in a public. I became very careful. Like while dealing with public, I stepped in a back foot. We were going towards like my wife's grandmother house, and an attack came onto me, and for diverting that attack, they diverted that attack onto my car, and through my car, like it was just created like that. I looked somewhere else in the right and saw something, and someone in front of me braked, and the moment I saw, my car touched his car. It was a Volkswagen जो भी था, Vento जो भी था. And now the thing was a slight not on the bumper, where the bumper is attached to the dicky. To the dicky side, on that plane, it a halka sa, there were cracks. Now I don't know, with that impact, can cracks appear? Because there was no dent appeared on that thing. But he ended telling the तूने ये किया, and there were doctors from Kolhapur or something, and तूने ये किया, you very Maharashtrian assholes. मैं भी महाराष्ट्र हूँ, but I'm calling those guys assholes. अपने community को नहीं बोल रहा हूँ भाई लोग. And wearing Rudraksh and rings and all, I just gave a look at that, and that bumper cost around 12,000. He was asking me 6,000. Even for that the thing is, you need dash cams. Now I don't know, those lines were already there now, but he was like, okay, chal police station, and I was like with my wife, and like my wife was like, okay, we'll go, and they were like, नहीं आप क्यों आ रहे हो, आप बीच में आप बैठ जाओ. And again that time I was not physically aware, mentally मैं उतना aware नहीं था, because of my spiritual things and all. मैं completely हमेशा उसी में ही रहता. This was back in 2023. And then I said, okay, fine, I will pay you. And I paid him 6,000. I was extremely pissed off. Like, ये क्या किया तूने? And see, the thing is that whatever money I get, whatever money I earn from people's karma. So it's the money of that. If अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता है पैसा, if someone asks to, borrows, like people are asked, can you give me something before? So I cannot lend money to someone, because while doing a spiritual activity, the money which I get, I can burn that thing. I cannot give it. I only donate that thing. Apart from that, I use it on some other things. I cannot. If I transfer that money, it is like transferring the whole karma on the opposite person. So when that 6,000 went for that thing, and then we were like, oh ठीक है, छोड़ जाने दे, इतना क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. There was not इतना कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा, but we felt ना हमारी इतनी कोई गलती थी. Yeah, my mistake that I looked somewhere else and this thing, but again that attack was diverted. So the energy and DT said it's okay, you need to get pissed, and chapter यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया. But what happens, it is not me who is like it's not like that. With me many deities and all travel, like not मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ के, but they're always along me. And माँ काली, like she was extremely pissed off because he did something wrong. He could have let go. And there are many accidents, like कभी किसी का headlight टूट जाता है, bumper damage or something, people just let go. Even I have let go many a time, like someone had scratched my car many a times. Like it's okay, like it happens. You're driving in a city, things happen. But trying to take out money, like I was very young, he could have let, nothing would have happened. And then I said him, not on the, when he went, I gave him like his 7 generations, whichever gotra, whichever thing he belongs, his 7 generations, you have to suffer very royally. Now just because of that one guy, he and his friend, his family and everyone had to suffer. And then I asked my disciple, like, why did I give such a bad curse, or like curse ya shapi bolte usko. And later it came to know it was not me, it was Ma Kali. It is because for them, see, the punishments are very higher, that whatever punishments come, they would affect your generations. And then a bad luck started happening with him, and he felt I did some tantra kriya. He was not understanding, because I said him, I even warned him, I am into spirituality, so things can sort out, please be careful. Like I couldn't tell him कि I do this thing and all. So he saw me as a, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि इससे पैसे हम लूट सकते हैं, या बिकॉज आई वॉज हैविंग दैट ऑरा 2.5 years back, 2 years back आई वॉज हैविंग दैट ऑरा. सो लाइक छोड़ना क्यों मौका ये छोड़ने का. एंड उस पैसे से पार्टी किया, एंड आई गॉट सम विजन, लाइक उसने पार्टी किया, फूक दिया, जो भी कर रहे थे वो लोग. And after that thing, he had a very bad time and he went somewhere, and then he figured out, oh, this is happening because of me. And both of them, mostly the second one is crying like, why, it's better we call him up and चलो उसका पैसा हम रिटर्न कर देते, जाने दे, पीछा छूट जाएगा अपना. But it was not me who was doing anything, it was the deities who were running behind them. And then what happened, he did a spell on me, like suddenly I'm getting scared, like अगर मैं बाहर जाऊँगा तो मुझे डर लगेगा, someone will dash me, I would have an accident by some car or something, and I was getting such thing. And then I came to know, okay, this guy has, not reversed it, he has intentionally put something onto me. First of all, I never did anything, it was the deities who punished him. And when I came to know this, that was the first time I reacted. And with double triple interest, whatever I wanted I did with him. And I don't know, he might be facing some health issue, he might be facing any problem, I literally have no idea. Definitely this video, when I get into the media line and all of, whenever I get a thing or I become a famous personality, he would be seeing this thing and he would be realizing what exactly had happened. It wasn't me who punished him, it was Ma Kali who punished him, main nahi tha wo. And because my words have that weightage, and I didn't say anything, but I just felt bad. मैंने कुछ को बुरा नहीं बोला था. But it was Ma Kali who, through me, she did whatever she wanted. ये किस्सा हो गया. Then another incident I will tell you. This is of Nashik, Trambakeshwar. For my third eye, Trambak means third eye, Trambak. So for my third eye processes, the last bits, like last December में I had been over Trambakeshwar, Jyotirling, and we reached over there like at night or some evening हम लोग पहुँच गए थे, and early morning darshan we had with that VIP pass and all. And you cannot touch that Jyotirling. It is in Gabara means where the Jyotirling is placed, and then there is a wall, and people were just touching and all. We come with a lot of see, at the end of, no matter whatever I have, I just went to give respect over there. It was not like I have to take blessing and all. It was nothing like that. I just went to, as a respect, I had gone over there. And I didn't knew that thing. If I would have known, I wouldn't have done that. On that footstep, I just placed my head on that footstep, and that guy just pulled me back. मतलब ऐसा भाई लाइफ में कभी मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. And I got furious, and because that time I was carrying extreme heavy energy, because many deities and everyone was there with me, like multiple forms of all forms of deities with me, and this guy did that thing, and I lost my cool. I started yelling at him like, how dare you touch me. Like then other guy came in, he pushed me, I pushed him, and then the other guy came in and he pushed me, and then he said, what you are doing is right. Well, what are you doing is right. How can you touch me? First thing was that, how dare you touch me, and you have no rights to touch, because is this your thing? Like people come with a lot of faith and all, and you just pull them off. This is not done. And I was so furious, like, and I took it personally, like at some extent, and I was like, it's not you. I will like, not your 7th generation, your 70 generations from Nashik is the place where कौन सा पूजा होता है यार, वो भूल गया मैं. पितृ वाला पूजा होता है, नारायण नागबली पूजा फॉर एंसेस्टर्स. एंड I was so pissed off over there, because for the first time life में ऐसा कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ. And I literally said him like, I will screw you and your generations, your pitra, like your first like 70 generation and your previous ancestor 70, I will lock every them. Let me see which your Kul Devi Devta, which one comes and stands in front of me. I will make sure like slash you, like I will squash you. जो भी आ रहा था मेरे मन में. And after that we sat for Rudra Abhishek. I was just staring at those guys with my full rage, like I was just burning inside कि इसने मेरे को हाथ कैसे लगा. And it was not actually me who was that. By that moment I had tapped into multiple forms of Shiv Tattva. So it was that Shiv Tattva who was agitated or like was very pissed off, like तूने हाथ कैसे लगाया मुझे, now you see what I do with you. And then what happened, while I was sitting through my third eye, I saw a small Bal Rupi Shiva. Bal Rupi मतलब कैसे बोल सकता हूँ, maybe 3 feet and all, a small version of Shiva, and every Jyotirling has this Shiva. It's like a small version, depend करता है. But I saw a small Shiva approaching, and he said me, kindly please leave from here because of your anger. You are actually burning the sanity, जो purity वहाँ की ज्योतिर्लिंग की जो purity थी, you are disturbing that thing. And if you keep on like show your like anger, or this can really disturb the decorum. And like okay, and once the puja was over, I was still sitting there and went okay, and that guy who had pulled me, he had left from there. So I said okay, I will just take some money and मैं वहाँ पे जाके दान करता हूँ. I will just donate at least something, and that thing gets, it just wards off from me. Yeah. This thing happened. एंड वो मैंने कर लिया. एंड उसके बाद भी मुझे बाहर, आई सॉ दोस गाय लाइक हु हैड पुल्ड मी, एंड ही स्टेयर्ड एट मी, एंड आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड एंड आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट हिम with my full rage. And again my wife just pulled me like, don't, no, let it be, it's their job, let it be. And we walked out from there, and suddenly I don't know what happened, still this thinking कि साला इसने मेरे को हाथ कैसे लगा, and that rage wasn't going. And when I went home, like after that we had gone for some other place for sightseeing, because in Nashik. And then while on my way back, as moment I reached home, and still I was in my rage, किसी ने हाथ कैसे लगाया, I was so pissed off. And then there was a decision which was done. There is a temple known as Gondeshwar temple. If you go from the Samruddhi Mahamarg from Thane or whatever, wherever you take in, and the moment you enter Sinnar, within 10-15 minutes, there is a temple known as Gondeshwar near Sinnar. And the essence of Trambakeshwar, like because I was insulted over there, like and mind में ऐसे मेरे उस टाइम चल रहा था, like how dare, like I am the मराठी में I was saying कि मतलब ये मराठी हिंदी है जो भी हो, मैं ये ऊर्जाओं का मैं संचालक हूँ. Sanchalak means I am the administrator. Like I keep on saying, I am the administrator. I am the administrator of these energies. And साला तू आके मेरे को हाथ लगाया. And then a thing was decided. The essence of Trambakeshwar has been taken out and shifted to Gondeshwar. So if you pray to and maybe it is in the process of shifting, because I was just insulted that they have decided it will shift over there, and just to teach them a lesson, because I don't know whatever their thinking was. And I would tell you, if you want to experiment, you go and pray in Trambakeshwar, and same and you see the result, and then you go and pray at Sinnar Gondeshwar temple and see the result. Even the Narayan Nagbali puja which they are carrying out, even that has been क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रद्द कर देते हैं, या उसका इफेक्ट उतना आएगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंट, वन सिंगल इंसिडेंट. दिस हैपेंड, इट्स नॉट बिकॉज मैं स्पेशल हूँ. द स्पिरिचुअल पोजिशन विच आई हैव, दैट इज स्पेशल. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी एज अ नितिश, मी एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, बट इट इज़ अ पोजिशन ऑन वॉट आई एम सिटिंग ऑन, एंड दीज गाइज मेस्ड अराउंड विद देम. सो ये पूरा इंसिडेंट. एंड आफ्टर दैट थिंग आई डिसाइड, भाई मैं कभी टेम्पल में मुश्किल से कि टेम्पल में जाऊँगा, एंड देन आई वुड मेक श्योर आई डोंट गेट इनटू सच ब्रॉल्स और लाइक फाइट्स एंड ऑल, बिकॉज such stupid thing. Now the thing is that ये you might जो त्रंबकेश जानते हैं, you might feel that ये कुछ बकचोदी कर रहा है, कुछ बकवास कर रहा है. If you feel I'm bullshitting, or if you feel like this is happening, you yourself go visit Trambakeshwar, pray or meditate over there, and the same thing you do it in the Sinnar ka Gondeshwar, and then feel the vibes. It's not the Jyotirling has been replaced, but Jyotirling तो वहीं पे है, but the essence and the positivity and the purity which you get from there has been shifted to that temple. So that's the thing. हाँ, थोड़ा डेंजरस हूँ मैं अभी, बट ठीक है, अभी क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं. द रीज़न आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये सारे वीडियोस में ऐसे एक साथ बना रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये हर एक वीडियो अलग अलग बनने वाला था, बट सारा एक साथ में फटाफट बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज माई स्पीड इज़ ऑलवेज स्लो. आई टॉक वेरी स्लोली, बट नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग वेरी फास्ट बिकॉज मैंने काफ़ी जब ये सब वीडियोज़ आई हैड रिटन ऑल दिस वीडियोज़, द टॉपिक ऑफ द वीडियो दे हैड सेड मी तभी बना लेना, बट उस टाइम मैं टाइम पास कर रहा था. एंड नाउ दे आर सिटिंग ऑन माई हेड एंड दे आर टेलिंग मी, लाइक लिटरली दे आर किकिंग मी दैट यू हैव टू मेक दिस वीडियोज़ बिकॉज वी हैव आवर अदर वर्क्स टू डू. your dasha is nearly about to finish and you haven't done this thing, so you have to do this so we can start. Because if the next dasha starts, you won't be able to do any of the videos because your complete focus will be on the different things. So that's the reason मैं ऐसे बड़ continuously कर रहा हूँ. Maybe some things you might understand, some things you might not, and even if I make some grammatical errors or any errors, I'm least bothered because मुझे बस इसको ख़त्म करना है. I just want to finish this thing. I am literally in a not I am not gonna put any single effort for like any कि मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, तुमको एक्सप्लेन करना नहीं. मैं बस अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. आप जितना इसे समझ सकते हो समझ लो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है यू कैन आस्क मी. शायद अगर मैंने रिप्लाई किया तो ठीक है. इट्स नॉट एन एरोगेंस बट आई एम इन टू माई ओन थिंग्स. मतलब 2 साल बाद मैं ये सब बोल रहा हूँ तो तुम समझो. और ये कभी की बात है, ये दिसंबर की बात है. वो जो कार वाला जो बात है ना, जो कार वाला जो एक्सीडेंट, that thing that happened in the month of 2023 September, October, around that time it had happened. So such old things I'm just बता रहा हूँ. जो भी है छोड़ो यार, टाइम भी नहीं है. ओके, माई आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग अ टॉपिक, ठीक है. सो मैं कॉपी पेस्ट करके कमेंट में डालने वाला हूँ एंड तुम कमेंट के टॉपिक्स पढ़ना क्या क्या रहेगा एंड देन यू स्टार्ट द वीडियो. क्या क्या रहेगा? माई पर्सनल लाइफ टुक अ टॉस इन माई स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. येस, काफ़ी हुआ था. मेरे मतलब हेल्थ के ऊपर. भाई मेरा वेट जो 85 पे था, 85 से मैं 105 पे पहुंच गया बिकॉज आई वॉज ईटिंग कंटिन्यूसली and for maintaining my energy, because a lot of energetical works was happening in my body, and for keeping a stable balance I had to consume a lot. I even ended up eating 2 to maybe 1 or 2 kilos of 1.5 kilo 1.5 kilo of pista in matter of 10 days. Badam, like I was just eating crazy, and there was no heat issue or any issues or any digestive issues because the whole energy was utilized. So and dry fruits are rich in spiritual energy. Again, especially if you're in lack of spiritual energy, ड्राई फ्रूट में अंजीर आता है. बादाम खाना, अंजीर लाइक अंजीर को क्या बोलते हैं यार, फिग्स, ड्राई फिग्स एंड समथिंग मे बी क्या बोलते हैं, बादाम, आलमंड जो भी है यार, ये पिस्ता एंड आलमंड, पिस्ता एंड वॉलनट. ये कौन सा मैसेज कर रहे हैं? हाँ, ओके. सो एक मिनट में डेटा बंद करता हूँ बिकॉज मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं मुझे. हाँ, सो ये क्या बोल रहा, पिस्ता विस्ता और ये सारी चीज़ें मैं खा रहा था कंटिन्यूसली टू मेंटेन माई एनर्जी. एंड मतलब मैंने 3-4 किलो ऐसे गटम कर लिए थे इन 15 days. दैट्स हाउ माई इंटेंस माई जर्नी वॉज. एंड एज अगेन वेट इंक्रीज हो रहा था. अभी वो थोड़ा थोड़ा शेड होना चालू हो रहा है. एंड my dreams जो मुझे आते थे, dreams सारे, because my third eye wasn't open and they were communicating with me through my dream. Now what used to happen, a couple of messages which I used to receive in my dream, I used to think that वो शायद अभी होने वाला है या 2-3 दिन में होने वाले. But साला जो मुझे the problem was like what I was having dreams and visions and all those things, they were actually 3 to 6 months of ahead time, which I came to know again after 6 months, like when it started happening. So this were the biggest blunders which I was facing. I was even having a problem like root canal, ठीक है. दांत का इशू हो रहा था. like I had to do root canal, which I knew I had to do it, but they said you cannot do it, and my tooth chipped off. एंड लिटरली वो थोड़ा बहुत चिप ऑफ थोड़ा बहुत हो गया था. एंड मुझे यही फील हो रहा था भाई इनके चक्कर में भाई मेरा दांत शहीद ना हो जाए. बिकॉज दे सेड जब तक योर हेड का प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ योर हेड डजेंट फिनिश, यू कैन नॉट डू अ रूट कैनाल और इवन चेंजिंग माई स्पेक्स. लाइक टुडे आज क्या दिनांक है भाई साहब? इट्स 29th April 2025. एंड mostly whenever I buy a specs, it just lasts for 1 year or 1.5 year गलती से. and before that I changed the whole frame and the glasses में change कर लेता. but this time they said you don't have to change anything. and trust me, like my frame, both the like sticks, like दोनों कांडियाँ टूट गई थी. I had stuck that thing with Araldite and all, like super glue. and there were so many scratches on my glasses, like that glass, and I used to find a way out. मतलब उसमें से जगह बना के मैं देख रहा था क्या कहाँ से जगह मैं वहाँ से देखूँ, इतना ख़राब हो गया था. For nearly an year, more than a year, like till 1 year it was fine, and after that nearly an year didn't let me change my specs, because there were like couple of yantras were there in my car, yantras were there in my even specs. So till the time my process doesn't finish, I wasn't allowed to do any sort of changes. And once my process was like kind of head का काफ़ी हद तक ख़त्म हुआ, then I was allowed to change, not change, fix my root, fix my teeth. And after that स्पेक्स तो मैंने दिस संडे को गया था मैं, संडे जो भी डेट थी यार, 27 शायद था, एंड आज 29 है, ट्यूसडे है, एंड कल रात को मुझे मेरा स्पेक्स मिला, एंड अभी तक मैंने पहना नहीं है वो चीज़. तो इमेजिन लाइक ऐसे ऐसे हरकतें, लाइक देयर वर सो मेनी कंडीशंस वेयर प्लेस्ड, ऐसे ऐसी चीज़ें मेरे साथ हुई थी. ओके, और क्या मैंने लिखा है, लाइक आई एम जस्ट एडजस्ट यार, या आप इसको 2-3 यू कैन सी दिस वीडियोज़ इन ऑडियो जो भी है 2-3 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स, और बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव sit and edit or sit on edit and make different videos. No, घंटा कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ मैं, तो प्लीज़ एडजस्ट. ओके, और क्या क्या, ओके. ये एक सिस्टम ये एक चीज़ है, व्हाट हैपन्स आफ्टर सुसाइड और अननेचुरल डेथ, इज़ लाइफ ईजी आफ्टर दैट और व्हाट हैपन्स. एंड एक कुणाल वाला एक किस्सा है मेरे, लाइक जो भाई जैसा है. इसमें क्या होता है, व्हेनेवर यू डू एनी सुसाइड और जो अर्ली अननेचुरल डेथ्स होते हैं, उसमें एक तो if you are destined you will die in some sort of accident, then things are different. But it is not destined, and suddenly some mishaps happen because of the miscalculation. Such thing happens, then your soul wanders over there. If your soul wishes and it has that spiritual energy, it can go up and start the healing process, again ready for the next. But if it doesn't have a spiritual energy, it just gets stuck over here. It just gets stuck. यहाँ पे वो stuck हो जाता है. And then what happens? Tantrics end up catching such soul. They would feed that soul, and then they would make that soul do something. मेरे लिए ये कर, मेरे लिए वो कर, and then that soul is violated. That soul is tortured, and from a very happy-go-lucky that soul, and it just gets खूनी दरिंदा, like you know, blood that thing. कैसे बोलूँ? लाइक करप्ट हो जाता है, पूरा डाकन अप हो जाता है, वो सोल पूरी ख़राब हो जाती है. सो दैट्स इफ बोलते ना कोई सुसाइड करता है एंड और वो चला जाता है, भाई वो उसकी सोल वहीं पे फंस जाती है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अलाउड. सी हाउ द सिस्टम वर्क्स, यू नो कैसा होता है. इट्स लाइक यू वर्क इन ऑफिस, ठीक है. एक ऊपर का सिस्टम में बताता हूँ, लाइक आफ्टर डेथ व्हाट हैपन्स, कैसे बताओ. तुमको एक देयर इज़ अ ऑफिस एंड यू हैव एन आई कार्ड, ठीक है. एंड देयर इज़ अ बस, एंड एक आई कार्ड आती है जो बस सुबह, लाइक इट्स लाइक एग्जाम्पल, ओके, लेमन लैंग्वेज, इट विल लीव यू बाय मॉर्निंग 5 or 6, something like that. And you go inside, and after that you have a couple of work to do. There is a number of tasks you have to complete, that is on your head, and once you complete that thing, then you get out, and at 6 baje in the evening the bus will come and it will pick you and it will take you back. ऐसा होता है. So now think that it take you back is the soul level, and you're going to office is the earth level. So when you enter your office, like जब तुम आते हो, that soul जैसा भी birth होता है, process and all, ये सारी चीज़ होती है. इसमें क्या होता है, you are given some certain tasks, you are given some certain karmas, you have to bloody complete that thing. And इसमें क्या होता है, अगर तुम suddenly छोड़ के रिज़ाइन मार देते हो, रिज़ाइन मतलब सुसाइड या कुछ अगड़म तगड़म चीज़ें हो जाती हैं, यू गेट आउट ऑफ द ऑफिस. नाउ द थिंग इज़ दैट वो बस तो 6 बजे ही आने वाला है, और तुम निकल गए 12 बजे, सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द 6 hours. एंड अनदर थिंग, इवन इफ दैट बस कम्स एट 6, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड दोज टास्क? Till the time you don't complete, you are not allowed. You have to burn your certain karma, and then you are taken back. सो दिस इज़ द अनदर एरर। क्या यहाँ पे लोग ऐसे फंस रहे हैं? क्यों फंस रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्मा थिंग। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कर्मा खत्म हो गया बट उन सोल में एनर्जी नहीं है। यहाँ पे मैं कर सकता हूँ, लाइक आई कैन पंप इन माई एनर्जी एंड फिक्स दो सर्टन थिंग, बट व्हेन अ सोल हैज़ अ हैवी लेवल ऑफ कर्मा, लाइक देयर वाज सम बॉलीवुड, नॉट बॉलीवुड, साउथ का कोई जो एक्टर है, डॉक्टर बोलते हैं, डॉक्टर पुनीत राजकुमार, that personality. When I was he had passed away, and when I through heart attack and all etc, जो भी तो उनका सीन था, and this happened maybe 23, पता नहीं कभी की बात है, शायद 23 ही होगा वो। एंड जब भी ये 23-22 है जो भी टाइम था, ये जब भी हुआ था, एंड आई कनेक्टेड विद दैट गाय, एंड मे बी हिज एनर्जीज, नॉट हिज एनर्जीज, हिज पित्रो एंड ऑल वॉट एवर द कुलदेवन, दे कनेक्टेड हिम विथ मी। नाउ वाई दे कनेक्टेड? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज गुड डीड्स, ही वॉज अ फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट एंड जो भी कुछ अच्छा काम करता, ही वॉज कनेक्टेड टू मी। एंड द रीज़न ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू गो अप बिकॉज ही हैड जैसे मीडिया होता है, there is a karma of money, there is a karma of not fame, but luxury, money and all, everything was there on his head, and because of that he was not able to go up. So for me, I was supposed to absorb that karma. मैंने वो चीज़ अपने पास खींच ली एंड उसको फ्री कर दिया। एंड he only said one thing, like who are you? एंड ऐसा भी होता है क्या? I wasn't knowing this thing, like what world was I living on to, that I wasn't aware of such a thing in my lifetime. I should have been searched and seeked into spirituality. This is what I said. And whatever that karma, whatever that blessing he wanted to give through me, I saw his family members, like उसका कोई बेटी वाइफ है, जो भी कोई भाई है, मुझे साउथ का इतना कुछ पता नहीं है। सो आई जस्ट एब्जॉर्ब दैट वॉट एवर एनर्जी, एंड वो थ्रू ब्लेसिंग्स एंड ऑल वॉट एवर ही बिफोर लिविंग ही वॉन्टेड टू गिव, वो ब्लेसिंग मैंने आगे दे दिया। सो नाउ उसका केस मेरे पास क्यों है? ऐसा नहीं कि भाई सेलिब्रिटी है, नहीं, बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड कर्मा एंड ऑल, योर पितृदेव एंड एवरीथिंग, दे विल ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विथ मी, बिकॉज मेरे जैसे ऐसे कम लोग हैं हु कैन डू सच अ थिंग। अगर किसी को अपलिफ्ट भी करना हो, बट अगर ही इज टाइड अप विथ हिज कर्म ऑफ लग्जरी, मनी, फेम एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन अर्थ, अभी वो कहाँ से इसको भरेगा? बॉडी तो निकल गई, लाइक ही हैज एक्सपायर्ड। सो हाउ द हेल कैन ही मैनेज टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस साइकिल? ये अर्थ का गड़बड़ अर्थ का कर्मा का गड़बड़ सिस्टम है। दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स। मेरा गला सूख रहा है, मैं हैवंट रिकवर्ड। महा की आग। सो ये मैंने बताया, अगर कोई सुसाइड अगर ऐसे कभी थॉट्स भी आ रहे तो भाई ये मत सोचो। जितने तुमको गाली चप्पल यहाँ पे पड़ रहे हैं, इफ़ यू एनी टाइम लाइक अगर गलती से आप ऐसे कुछ कर लेते हो तो लाइफ बहुत झंड हो जाती है एंड रीबर्थ होने के चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर ब्रेकिंग द लॉ ऑफ नेचर। सुसाइड एंड ये सब चीज़ें अलाउड नहीं होती। डेथ में एक टाइम काफ़ी हेल्प इधर उधर से हो जाती है, लाइक अननेचुरल एक्सीडेंटल डेथ में कुछ चीज़ें बनती है, बट सुसाइड में कभी नहीं, तुम वहीं पर फंसोगे। एंड जो पुनीत जो था, नॉट पुनीत सुपरस्टार, डॉक्टर राजकुमार, तो उसका अगेन ब्लैक मैजिक एंड ऑल कुछ मैल प्रैक्टिस हुआ था उसका। सो ऐसे हो गया था, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ था, मैं नहीं जानता किसने क्या जो भी किया था, बट मैंने उसको वहाँ से फ्री कर दिया था। सो वो चीज़ थी। एंड वो कैसा आ रहा था ना, हाउ दैट थिंग वॉज कम्युनिकेटिंग। वो जो है ना गाना KGF के पहले दैट गाना, सूर्य नंबर चम लाला, लाइक दैट क्यूट चाइल्डिश टोन, दैट थिंग। सो दैट वो बार बार मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था और मैं बार बार उसको सुन रहा हूँ, क्यों सुन रहा हूँ। एंड देन व्हेन आई कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड, ओके, आई केम टू नो, ओके, दिस इज़ हाउ आई हैव टू कनेक्ट हिम एंड आई हैव टू डू दिस वर्क। सो ये चीज़ था। उसके बाद मैंने क्या लिखा है भाई, 33 हो गए भाई, कैसे तो 50 पे पहुंच जाओ। कुणाल करण किस्सा, मेरे बिल्डिंग में एक था जो जिसने सुसाइड कर ली थी। मैं अभी तक उससे ऐसा कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाया, बट ठीक है, कुणाल का बोलता हूँ। कुणाल इज़ लाइक माई यंगर ब्रदर। उसके ऊपर क्या हो गया था, एक ही डेटेड समवन, मेरी तरह ही पागल साला। ही डेटेड समवन एंड देन ही ब्रोक अप, एंड मे बी दैट गर्ल, वो जो भी था उसका पता नहीं, मेरे को कुछ कमेंट नहीं करना. एंड द गर्ल वॉज फ्रॉम सम दैट स्पेशल पावर वाला कैटेगरी, एंड शी एंडेड अप डूइंग समथिंग. एंड आफ्टर दैट he used to behave very weirdly in the house, not talking to anyone, and some other nonsense he was doing. And then his father called me, and उसके फादर का नाम नवनाथ है. तो ट्रू कॉलर पे जब कॉल आया ना, आई वॉज लाइक, ओ भाई नवनाथ महाराज कॉल कर रहे हैं मुझे, लाइक लॉर्ड गॉड नवनाथ इज कॉलिंग मी, गुरु नवनाथ इज कॉलिंग मी. एंड व्हेन आई स्पोक टू हिज फादर, आई सेड ओके आई विल फिक्स सम थिंग्स फॉर हिम व्हेन आई कम आउट ऑफ माई. एंड ये बात कभी की है अगेन अक्टूबर नवंबर, एंड इट इज़ लाइक नियरली 6 मंथ्स हो चुके हैं ये सब के लिए. एंड अभी जाके मैं फ्री हुआ हूँ. ओके. एंड वंस आई वॉज डन विथ ऑल दिस थिंग, sorry, after his father's call, directly through his father I got connected to Kunal. And once I was connected, the tantric came to know basically what happened. Like tantric, he has attacked him, and that he had sent some soul or something, some booth he had sent on to him. And when that booth comes to know that okay, this guy can save this person, so that booth directly started attacking me, and I was getting pains in my head and etc. And at that time I wasn't allowed to fight and all, but I was like okay fine, अभी आ गया तो मैं क्या करूँ. And I directly, you know what I do with, भूत आ जाता है ना, मैं उसको पकड़ता नहीं हूँ. लाइक मुझे नहीं आता यार, लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू कैच ऑल दिस थिंग. बट या बॉटल वन का ना, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज मैं सीखा नहीं हुई है ये सारी चीज़. एंड सच बता रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता, ठीक है. नहीं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं तुमको लगे मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं मुझे नहीं आता ये सारी चीज़ें. मैं क्या करता हूँ, डायरेक्टली उसको लिबरेट करता था. उस सोल को, जो सोल थी, मैंने वो तांत्रिक से, दैट सोल वॉज कनेक्टेड तांत्रिक. आई ब्रोक दैट चेन एंड देन आई पम्प्ड माई एनर्जी एंड उस सोल को छोड़ दिया. एंड नाउ दैट तांत्रिक इज कम्युनिकेटिंग विथ मी एंड इज टेलिंग मैं तेरे भाई को छोड़ दूंगा, मुझे मेरा भूत वापस दे दे. भूत था कि प्रेत था, मैं नहीं जानता वो क्या था, मुझे थोड़ी दिख रहा था. और बोला मेरा प्रेत मेरा भूत मुझे वापस दे दे. बोला नहीं, मैंने तो छोड़ दिया, अब मैं कहाँ से लाऊँ. एंड देन आई सेड Kunal, like after like months, like a month back when I spoke to him, and then he's like दादा ये तो स्कैम हो गया. वो दादा मुझे बोलता है लाइक ब्रदर, बिग ब्रदर, यार तूने तो स्कैम कर दिया, उसको भूत चोरी कर लिया. बोला क्या करूँ अभी. सो ऐसे भी फनी चीज़ें हुई है. लाइक इवन सम सच फनी थिंग्स हैव हैपेंड. लाइक दे अटैक्ड मी विथ वॉट एवर दैट एंटिटी, एंड आई काइंड ऑफ क्लियर दैट एंटिटी आउट, एंड he started crying like मेरे को वापस दे दे. बिकॉज फॉर कलेक्टिंग दिस थिंग इट्स लाइक एन आर्टिफैक्ट या जो भी है. मेरे लिए तो कुछ नहीं है, बट फॉर मी इट्स नथिंग, बट फॉर देम इट्स लाइक अ प्रेशियस थिंग. एंड it just doesn't take me a minute or something to kind of liberate such souls. So मैं मोस्टली यही काम करता हूँ. सो ये हो गया नंबर 29 वाला वीडियो, रैंडमली बना रहा हूँ. 36 मिनट्स हो गए भाई. 50 तो कर ही नहीं पाऊँगा मैं. स्टिल चलो और एक चीज़ बता दो. इन वन ऑफ माई प्रीवियस वीडियो एज आई हैड सेड देर इज़ a mini computer of earth, and if you type a letter A, if I type now it will take a day to enter that thing. इतना पुराना कंप्यूटर है. So every body that computer पता है कैसा रहेगा ना, every car has an OBD port, like you can enter, and it's like a mini computer, and you can connect that computer through that car's OBD port, and your car gives the reading, like how much is the braking, acceleration, and is there any fault in the engine system or any. Basically car का एक mini computer होता है, that is ECU, something like that. So the repair guy has a computer, and he connects into car's plug. It's like that, and car has its own, it's not a computer but like a mini computer, like ऐसा बिना डिस्प्ले का mini computer ऐसा होता है उनके पास. तो अपने बॉडी में ना there is a body also has an OBD port, and you also have on a higher spiritual level, I'm telling you, like on a very extreme higher spiritual level, you get access to this OBD port. like मेरे पास कंप्यूटर है और मैंने उस पोर्ट में प्लग कर लिया. एंड सपोज किसी को एग्जाम्पल बोलता हूँ, सी मेरे पास अभी आई हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस, बट आई डोंट हैव द एक्सेस फॉर अदर्स. ये मेरे लिए मैं कुछ चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ. जैसे there was like for achieving something, a lot of karma I used to face. If I want to get something, because of Earth's rule, I had to face something, and then there were bodily issues, and some things were happening. So with this OBD port I connected, there is मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल्स नहीं बताता हूँ कहाँ क्या होता है बॉडी में। मैंने कनेक्ट किया था ये पोर्ट से, लाइक अ कंप्यूटर आई कनेक्टेड, एंड आई डिड सम स्मॉल चेंजेस इन माई बॉडी एंड एंटर कर दिया, एंड विद इन सम डेज दोज चेंजेस स्टार्टेड रिफ्लेक्टिंग. सो देर इज ऑल्सो इन बॉडी ऑल्सो हैज़ अ OBD पोर्ट, एंड थ्रू दैट यू कैन हील, ऑटो हील योर बॉडी. ऐसे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं तो अपने बॉडी में, बट अगेन ये टेक्नोलॉजी अपने को दी नहीं है बिकॉज वी वेरंट दैट लायक, or we were not capable, but we didn't deserve basically, on the people, like we didn't deserve to know those technology, natural healing, so they kept it as a secret only. So ये होता है. और हम क्या बताए, छोटा छोटा ही बोल पाऊँगा यार, मतलब गला तो मेरा ख़राब हो चुका है. Okay, karma removal only by a guru. Dip in holy water and शिवलिंग तो बोल दिया मैंने. What happens? See, in Hinduism, people tell आप गंगा में डुबकी लगाओ, महाकुंभ में डुबकी लगाओ, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. For what? For cleansing your karma and everything. ये this is half truth and half false. ठीक है, ऐसा है ये. Karma can only be cleansed if your guru is with you. You have to you have to take a dip in that water, and your spiritual guru has to be there, and again a powerful guru has to be there, who can remove the karma from your body and the soul, and multiple bodies of your past life. He can remove the karma, and then he can put that karma into the water, and then the water takes away the Ganga or जो भी है, whichever Narmada river or Garmada, whichever the purest holy rivers can take this thing, can take this water. Can take your karma. It is only through a presence of a spiritual guru. When you take a dip, things work. It is not that you take a dip in Ganga, Jamuna, जो भी whatever river, holy rivers, and you get purified. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर ऐसा होता, if this would have been true, half of the population would have been, purified. So ये यहाँ पे क्लॉ है, बिकॉज while traveling with my disciple, I was actually clearing off his karma for his spiritual growth, and I was removing karma and putting in the water. So I did this thing. That's the reason I know it is not about taking dip, it is taking a dip with your guru. ये होता है भाई साहब. और क्या है ये, क्या इसको बोल पाऊँगा? ठीक है, शॉर्ट में बोलता हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा डिटेल्स में नहीं जाना. द टॉपिक इज़ वाई एंड हाउ वी लॉस्ट वर्ल्ड कप दिस टाइम, द अटैक्स विच फॉलोड मी. ये क्या हुआ था? सी नाउ एवरीवन यूजेस ब्लैक मैजिक. सी ब्लैक मैजिक नहीं बोल सकता इसको, बट ब्लैक मैजिक इज चिंटू मिंटू टर्म, हायर लेवल ऑफ यूज़ ऑफ डेमोनिक फोर्सेस. सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया, like जिसके साथ अपना मैच था, हैज़ बीन यूजिंग डेमोनिक फोर्सेस इन कपल ऑफ ईयर्स. तो वो एक साल जीतेगा, अगला साल 2-3 छोड़ देगा, अगेन जीतेगा, अगेन छोड़. सो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ 3 दे हैव इट. एंड द वन हु आर डूइंग दिस, द क्रिकेटर्स डोंट नो दिस थिंग. द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, द वन हु आर इनटू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ दोज cricket teams and all. So the way we were leading, we didn't lose one single match, and we were at the World Cup. We could easily beat over them, defeat them, but these guys, they use some demonic forces, and at the end of the last day, like at the finals, our players were like दिमाग खराब कर दिया अपने players का, like they just messed up with their head, and India didn't perform properly, and ये चीज़ मैंने देखी थी. And because these guys have power that they can hide themselves, like because mostly क्या होता है ना, तांत्रिक and जो demonic forces, whenever I see them, I go and attack or some, I can see them, but these guys had something with them. They were hiding themselves, like Mr. India जैसा, like invisible man. They were hiding themselves and they were attacking, and they were not attacking from the front, they were attacking me from the back, because they were shocked that how can he detect this thing, because no one has ever detected us by doing such thing, and इसने कैसे हमको पकड़ लिया. सो ये चीज़ हुई थी. दैट्स द रीज़न वी लॉस्ट वर्ल्ड कप. अदरवाइज अपने पास आना ही था उसको. ये लोग ने चीटिंग किया था. एंड अगेन पता नहीं अपने इंडिया के तांत्रिक लोग क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, अपने प्लेयर्स को बचाया करो, लाइक ऐसे कुछ होता है तो. एंड आई ट्राई टू सेव दैट थिंग, आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू stop that thing, but already it was late and I was traveling. उस टाइम पे मैं with my parents I had gone to Kumbakonam, Rameshwaram, Padmanabhan Swami, and I was on my way back from Padmanabhan Swami. I had taken a halt at Bangalore or somewhere. या हाँ वहीं बैंगलोर में हुबली या कहीं पे लिया था. एंड माई फादर वॉज लिसनिंग टू द मैच एंड डूरिंग माई अटैक मैंने कार में एक पर्दा प्लेस कर लिया था. आई मेड माई फादर सिट बिसाइड माई मॉम बिहाइंड. आई डेंट मेक हिम लाइक ही वॉज सिटिंग बिसाइड मी. ऐसे तुम पीछे जाओ. एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड अटैकिंग एंड फाइटिंग ना, ही गॉट अ वेरी शार्प हेडेक. सो आई कुड नॉट, मैं वहाँ पे कुछ कर नहीं सकता था. बट ऑलरेडी आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस थिंग. मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये, बस मुझे अपने आप मैंने देखा एंड वाई वी आर लूजिंग मैंने जस्ट ट्राई किया. आई जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट what was happening and came to know these guys of the culprit. And now when they tracked me, I will tell you, I got fluttering in my chest, like suddenly there were flutters in my heart and I felt very weird, like भाई ये क्या हो रहा है, हार्ट अटैक तो नहीं हो रहा है मुझे. And then I came to know these guys were attacking me. And for 1 month we both had a fight, like जो भी उनके यहाँ से थे, and they were using a demonic forces. एंड ऐसा हो गया कि मैं वहाँ तक पहुँच गया एंड जो मेन पर्सन था ना, उसके अंदर एक डेमोनिक फोर्स, और उस डीमन का प्रॉपर डीमन, लाइक इट हैड 2 सिंग थे उसके, जो भी था. मैंने जाके लाइक आई एक्चुअली कॉट हिज थ्रोट एंड not slit his throat, but I actually caught his throat very hardly on a spiritual realm, not physically. I had caught his throat and I tried to burn him down. And जो मेरे आजू बाजू थे गन प्रेत रहते हैं, दे स्टार्टेड येलिंग, यू नो आरवी छोड़ उसको, छोड़, यू लीव इट अदरवाइज द ब्लंडर वुड हैपन. बट आई वाजंट रेडी टू लीव दैट थिंग एंड फाइनली मैंने छोड़ दिया उसको. एंड दैट डीमन वाज लुकिंग एट मी एंग्रीली एंड दे वर टेलिंग नहीं, यू हैव टू बैक ऑफ एंड लीव यहाँ से. मुझे तभी समझा नहीं क्या हुआ. एंड लेटर ऑन आई अंडरस्टूड आफ्टर 2 days and all, they heavily attacked on my heart with full power. They came on to that demon सब आ गए थे मेरे पास. एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था, हाँ नहीं मैंने कुछ गलत बोला. जब मैंने उसका गला पकड़ा था ना, मैंने गला वहीं पे तोड़ दिया था उसका. आई हैड ब्रोकन हिज थ्रोट. मतलब अभी मुझे जैसे दिख रहा है लाइक वो तो डीमन है, बट मैंने उसको वहीं पे डिफ्यूज़ कर दिया. आई हैड डिफ्यूज लाइक अर्लियर ऑल्सो many जैसे रहता है like जिन एंड ऑल, many nonsense thing I had diffused. So I broke that thing, और like मैंने उसको गला स्लिट कर दिया, उसको गला काट दिया मैंने उसका वहाँ पे. गलाया जो भी बोल सकते हो, मैंने आधा कर लिया उसको, केतु का जैसे हेड कैसे. या आई बी हेडेड दैट थिंग. एंड मैं जो भी गन पे थे वो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे, लाइक दे वर येलिंग यू नो आर वी लीव एंड आई वाजंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट थिंग. एंड मार के मैं चला गया. देन दे आर लाइक कि व्हाट हैव यू डन. एंड I didn't understand. I was feeling proud, like हाँ मैंने उसको मार दिया, मैंने धो दिया, जो भी कुछ कर लिया मैंने. And after that thing, I'm telling you, after that thing, they came with the full army, and I was not ready for that, and they attacked me like within a day or within 2 days. At night they attacked me very heavily, and that was a danger moment for me, and somehow I managed to survive that thing because of the nucleus in my body which was in my chest, like वो टोनी स्टार्क के इसमें चेस्ट में होता है, which again मुझे मिला था नागपुर से. सो नहीं हाँ शायद गलत बोल दी, बाद में कुछ भी हुआ था. टाइमलाइन मेरा हिल रहा है बिकॉज ये अपनी मैच 23 में होती, न्यूक्लियस तो मैंने 23 के एंड में लिया था. कहीं पे तो आगे पीछे टाइमलाइन हो रही है, बट दिस थिंग हैड हैपेंड. नहीं वो दूसरा अटैक था, इन्होंने अटैक किया था, बट उस टाइम पे आई वाजंट प्रिपेयर्ड एंड समहाउ थ्रू डीटीज आई हैड मैनेज टू यू नो काइंड ऑफ विन ओवर दिस थिंग. बट मैंने खुद के लिए लाइक आई हैड मेड अ डेंजरस सिचुएशन फॉर माई सेल्फ बाई डूइंग सच एन एक्ट. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी नेवर क्रॉस्ड पाथ्स with each other, but this is the reason we lost our match. So क्या बोल सकता हूँ, आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू, वैसे भी मुझे यू नो टॉपिक से टाइटल से बनाना नहीं था, बिकॉज छोड़ो अभी जो हो गया. एंड वैसे भी आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रूफ. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु फॉलो माई चैनल, दे वुड थिंक ओके देयर कैन बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दिस थिंग हैपनिंग, बट सडनली समवन जस्ट कम्स अक्रॉस हु हैज़ नो आइडिया हु एम आई व्हाट एम आई. दे वुड थिंक यार ये तो बकचोदी कर रहा है, पागल बना रहा है ये. वैसे भी यूट्यूब पे सभी पागल बैठे, तो ये भी हमको पागल बना रहा है, कुछ भी बोल रहा है. सो एनीवेज इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ हाउ मच यू ट्रस्ट दीज थिंग्स. स्टिल 54 पे नहीं पहुंचा, 48 मिनट्स ही हो रहे, बट और क्या बोलूँ मैं. गुरु शिष्य परंपरा, नो फ्यूचर इनिशिएशंस। यस, जो पहले मैं इनिशिएशंस करता था वो सारे अभी बंद होने वाले हैं। बंद मतलब मैंने तो बंद कर दिए। एंड इनिशिएशन विल ओनली हैपन थ्रू माई, लाइक व्हेन यू वॉच माई वीडियोज़, इट्स लाइक अ इनडायरेक्ट इनिशिएशन। यू हैव टू वॉच माई वीडियोज़ एंड देन इट्स लाइक काइंड ऑफ इनिशिएशन, एंड यू जॉइन मी इन माई स्पिरिचुअल ग्रुप। बिकॉज देखो, मैंने स्पिरिचुअलिटी अभी मैं लाइक नाउ currently I would be taking a break from spirituality, but it is not that thing, the guru title what I've achieved, like I'm surrendering that thing. No, it is just I have to complete my materialistic things. So that's the reason there will be halt in spirituality. But for you to uplift yourself, the spirituality will be still flowing through me. It is not that the spirituality won't be flowing through me. Spirituality will be flowing through me, but I won't be active. It's not about me, it's about the position what I'm sitting. ठीक है? So before I used to initiate, I used to transmit energy and etc. I have stopped all those things because again it happens, a lot of heavy karma exchange happens, and us time at that time I wasn't aware of what karma and what I'm exchanging, and that ended up giving a lot of headaches on my head, like a lot of problems I was facing, fights and everything. Even earlier from my psychics karma also I was burning, and the day I gave it back, or I just reverted back or just diverted it, everything stopped. So initiation and all, maybe after 60, whenever I start my spirituality, at that moment I might initiate someone who is really worthy of that, or who can take my legacy ahead. Not legacy ahead, but जैसे भी बनता है, legacy तो नहीं लेके जा सकता, ये बस मेरे लिए, मैं नहीं किसी को दे सकता हूँ ये चीज़। Not I cannot pass it on, but it doesn't work like that, especially for this post. So anyways, गुरु शिष्य परंपरा वही होता है, लाइक वंस अगर आप एक बार लाइक यू मेक मी योर गुरु, इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट फॉर दिस लाइफ टाइम, वो मल्टीपल लाइफ टाइम तक जाता है। एंड जो मेरा प्रीवियस डिसाइपल था, when I disconnected him, I disconnected all the guru shishya cords and everything, because of some reason, but still I was seeing some energy was coming through him, like maybe he went on a different path. जैसे कुंग फू पांडा में, if you see, like टाइसन टाइप जो भी उसका नाम रहता है, he tried to walk on a different path, and the thing which binds him, like he was trained under that शिफू, पता नहीं यार जो भी इनके नाम रहते हैं, so I was connected with him, and when I saw that thing, how is he was a part of my from my system only, and the thing which connected him with me, he came and stood with me and fighting with your guru. Such a blunder he ended up doing it, like जिससे तुमको लाइट मिल रही है, उस लाइट को ही तुम लाइट बताने जा रहे हो, ऐसी बकवास, ऐसी बकचोदी कर ली थी उसने. So I had to disconnect everything. No matter, still I value every of my disciple. Even things have gone bad or whatever true face I came to know of him, but still, as my disciple, because of all these disciples, my spiritual journey has been complete. So without negativity, I wouldn't have, the positive in me wouldn't have stood. So when I saw onto him, I saw the Ganda Bandhan. Now what is Ganda Bandhan? जैसे musical families में होता है, like when you guru takes you under his hood, he ties a thread on your right hand basically, that is known as Ganda, and Bandhan means usko bandhana, like tying up. So I had done a Ganda Bandhan on his wrist in some previous life. That's the reason he was connected with me. So I had to disconnect Guru Tattva Shishya. I had to disconnect every part I was seeking where he was connected with me. And then finally there was my psychic said me, there is still a cord which is connected, and I was like, क्या cord हो सकता है? And then through my visions, I saw that there is a Ganda Bandhan हो चुका है, and then I removed that in the presence of higher energies. मैंने उनको बोला कि like I requested, because it is like a ritual. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई बांध दिया मैंने. Ritual, proper invocation happens, and then I invoked some deities or higher powers, and said I am removing this thing because of his misbehavior, जो भी उसको chance मिला था. He came with an ill intention. I wasn't aware of that fact, but he was. Multiple chances were given to him that still you can change, you can just confess your thing, that you have this thing and you came with this intention, but you have to improve. But no, he didn't improve. Till the last moment, everyone was giving him chance. The higher energies, everyone wanted him, क्या तू सीख जा, but नहीं सीख पाया वो, तो इसलिए लात मार के उन्होंने हकाल दिया. It was not me who has kicked you out. It was their decision, and you were proud or you are overconfident that I would never kick you out or I would never disconnect you. It's not like that. If you just had a clear and a pure intentions, it's not about your behavior. It is not about if you have power, you have to behave in a certain way and exact. भाई ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everything depends on your heart. It's your heart which makes you stand different, and it is because of my heart I am at this position, or whatever. जो भी मेरा bringing या जो भी मेरा whatever construction I have been or they have constructed me, but it is my heart. And I even said you couple of times, you have to purify your heart. You have to purify your heart for your spiritual upliftment. It is not about power. With power, tantra and all, you can go to a certain limit, but to go in the divinity zone, to go in the divine zone, you need a very pure heart with pure intentions for the people. It's not about just me, or I will try to snatch things from a profound person. I will block him. I will F the shit out of that person and then I will walk ahead. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप ऐसा गांडू नहीं बन सकते हो. You cannot be an asshole like this. You understand. You know you're watching my video. This is my clear thing to you. You behaved literally like an asshole. You weren't supposed to do this thing. And I came to know everything. It's not that I wasn't knowing. There were many signs given to me that to check you and all. But still, I bypassed everything with my pure heart because of that pure heart. And you felt that was my weakness. It was never my weakness, you asshole. It was never my weakness, you idiot. But it was my strength, which you failed to understand. I was trying to teach you. You have to behave. You'd have to learn the good things. It is not about the spiritual fight, aura, and the strength. You will rule the world. And ये लौड़ा लहसुन मतलब sorry ऐसे नमूने लोग मेरे पास आए थे. एंड व्हेन आई थिंक मेरा ये प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं था, ये मेरा टेम्पर से निकल गया. आई स्टिल हैव थोड़ा सा नॉट ग्रजेस बट I taught all my disciples. I nurtured them like a baby, and one of them or two of them, like some of them behave like this way, like an asshole. Like how would I feel? Trying to disturb my personal life, so I get only diverted to you. Only my energy is reflected to you, and your intentions were such that I take the back seat and you become the face of spirituality and you represent spirituality. I just manage the back control. I give everything. I don't even have a child, or I don't pass my legacy. My legacy must be passed on to your kids in the future, जो भी होने वाले हैं, and all such. ऐसे कौन intention रखता है बहन छोत? That's the reason मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता हूँ. This is what happens. Sorry for that, but ऐसी चीज़ें, this is what I face from disciple. Like when I think of that, भाई मेरा दिमाग की माँ सी हो जाती है. Like बहुत दिमाग हटता है मेरा ये सब सुन के. Look, when I start thinking, but again I don't like, because I was making videos, I had to recollect some certain thing. And the betrayals what I face, this is the betrayal. Like, can you think someone just enters your life and has such an intention, and if I wasn't spiritual, that powerful, what would he done with my life? Like near death या खराब कर देता. So guys and bhaises, guys, just be careful from such people. Or like अगर ये आगे भी आएगा मेरे सामने, तो obviously there is very difficult for me to accept such people, but yeah, I know how to accept. So like even there were privileges again, divine beings are very ज़्यादा ही दिलदार है, और they gave me a way out कि अगर इसको वापस आना है तो he has to do some certain thing, and that is only if I allow to accept that thing. Like if I accept, then he can be back, and such people can be back, and then obviously you have to go through some procedure for lifetime. That won't be that happening. So ये था, I think so मैंने 54 minutes complete कर लिए. Yes, मैंने 57 कर लिए. And yeah, गुरु शिष्य परंपरा, ये मैंने I had learned this thing through my multi-disciples only. Like how the guru shishya, that thing, it is not about one life. The Ganda Bandhan, what happens? It continues for multi lifetimes. Whatever disciples I make, no matter how much I discard them, no matter how much मैं MCBC गाली दूँ, for me those are my disciples, and they will always be always remain as my disciples, no matter how assholes they had been, no matter how idiot or moronic they would have behaved. So that's a position of a guru. No matter that, you know, these guys behave like an idiot or morons, but as a guru you have to keep an upper hand, and you also have to make a way out that अगर इनको वापस आना है तो किस वे से आ सकते हैं, because at the end of the day it is all about improving people's life and uplifting people. So there are different ways, and जो भैया 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 कहने वाला, there is also a way for you to get back, but again just don't be an asshole like you have always been. There are different ways to get back, so you have to understand that thing, and you would be wise enough, you guys would be wise enough if you leave your ill intentions behind and think of joining me, but again after 20 years or 10-15 years, then you can think of. Till that you can purify your soul, self and all, एंड 20 साल बाद तुम लोग मेरे पास आ सकते हो ज्वाइन करने, बिकॉज अभी तो नहीं होने वाला, अभी तो माई फोकस वुड बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, इसलिए ये सारी बकवास है मैं एक ही वीडियो में सब कर रहा हूँ. एनीवेज दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. यस, मैंने फाइनली अचीव कर लिया 59 मिनट्स. दिस इज़ रुद्रवृतम साइनिंग ऑफ. ऐसे टोन में मैं सीरियसली बात करता हूँ, और ऐसे टोन में बात करूँगा तुम सबको डर लगेगा मैं ऐसे बेसियर आवाज़ में बात करूँगा तो. सो एनीवेज दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो, and I hope you have been enjoying my content. एंड मैंने एक कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट वाला मैसेज एक ही बना के रखा है जो हर वीडियो में चिपकाने वाला हूँ, दैट ऑडियो, बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगी टिल, बिकॉज आई डोंट स्विच और माई करियर डजंट स्टार्ट इन माई रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड विच आई एम ट्राइंग. सो इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन हेल्पफुल, वैल्यूएबल, अगर थोड़ा भी हेल्प होता है तो डू कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट मी अपने दिल से. दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. दिस इज़ रुद्रवृतम साइनिंग ऑफ. टाटा. Hi there. If you feel you have learned anything from this video, or this video has added any piece of information in your spiritual database, do support me. This is the QR code. You can help me out by your any small contribution if this content has been of any help. And as you know, like, I don't make any money from YouTube due to my low subs, so do contribute if this was any worth. God bless.